Alright, we're here to talk about Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. He was born March 1st, 1744 in France. His father wanted him to be part of the church, and he really didn't want to, so he decided to join the French army for a long time. After a joke that caused him to have a neck injury, he was decommissioned and devoted his life to study about invertebrates and natural sciences. He then developed the Lamarckian evolutionism, stating that an organism is altered over generations.
One of his theories was that all organisms change over generations. Underlying his several components was a tendency of progression. Change occurred because an animal passed on to its offspring psychological changes it had undergone in its own lifetime. The long legs and webbed feet of wading birds, for example, arose when those animal ancestors responded to a need to feed on fish.
Now we're going to hear from Matthew and David.
Well, this is Jean-Baptiste Lamarck's statement, changed the future by stating organisms changed over time because of adapting to environment and ecosystem.
Lamarck's theory of evolution affected the organism and ecosystem level, and it would affect the organism because they would develop webbed feet if they were swimmers, and if it were giraffes they would develop long necks, and it would affect the ecosystem because giraffes would develop long necks, and then it would help them to get food from taller trees.